Alright guys, so I've already installed these two right here. The way I done these, put 2 bolts in it. Here's the other one right here. And these are C4 Offroad IEDs. I've already taken the wheels out in the back here. Got a little mess going on. So I got this one almost ready to go. Here's the hole for the front. This will be the front wheel well. And what I'm doing here, this time I decided to do it a little bit different. Instead of putting bolts in, I decided to glue it with some epoxy. See, it's pretty sturdy. I don't think it's gonna go anywhere, but we'll do trial and error. I just didn't want to drill any more holes in it. And the reason I put that rubber there is because I wanted more like a flush mount. Because if you don't put the rubber on there, this is how much will be sticking out. It's a lot sticking out, and I can show you on one of the other wheel wells. I hadn't done that yet too. And this is the rear. So that's how it'd be sticking out if you weren't to add something. So what I'm trying to do is about like that. I don't know how good you can tell on it. And I'm trying to do this video with a GoPro, so it's a little hard. Hopefully I can get done in a little bit. That epoxy's taking a little longer than what I was expecting for it to dry. It says 30 minutes or so, but this is what I'm using. I figured it didn't have to be nothing crazy strong, cause I mean they're just sitting in place. But I guess I'll find out how long one of these lasts. Hopefully they don't come off. But if they do, oh well. Just stick bolts in it then. I'm using some sandpaper 120 grit. Roughing it up a little bit so that epoxy can stick pretty good. Make good contact. You want to make sure it's really clean with some alcohol, because earlier I didn't put any alcohol on it and it was having a hard time sticking, and the rubber piece too. Alright, so this is the way I got it connected. Got a little quick connects there and there too. So what I did, I kind of spliced a little piece of wire and connected it to the main one there into one quick connect. That way, like I was saying earlier, if one of the lights goes bad, I could just disconnect the light and not have to cut wires and all kind of crazy. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that wrapped up, looking clean, and move on to the next one. I never got a chance to finish the video I was making on installing the IED rock lights on the wheel wells. It's been, I think it's been about 3 or 4 months now. Finally decided to finish it, but I ended up getting the lights and everything installed on the wheel wells. And at night, it for sure does, it needs more lights. I think it does. But this is what it turned out to look like. I mean, it looked pretty good. They're C4 Offroad lights. But here's the switch where I got it hooked up at. The one on the right is actually for the train horn, and the one on the left is for the lights. That little blue light is aggravating. I don't like it, so I think I'm gonna end up getting a different switch. But this is pretty much what I was going for, flush mount look. But it definitely needs some more lights. Definitely needs some more. I don't know how good it's going to show on camera. It's kind of dark today. But this is where I pretty much ran the wires for the front wheel well. It's about the only place that I could find that I liked. But I wrapped it in like some exhaust wrap, and I ran the wires inside one of them plastic looms, I guess you would call them. I'm not exactly sure what you call them, but I picked those up at Lowe's, and the exhaust wrap, you can get it anywhere, any auto parts store really. But that's where I ran it across right here. And I pretty much ran the wires into the truck right here where the emergency brake runs into. But that's it for today's video. I'll have some clips, some nighttime clips, so you can see what they look like. And like I said, we're going to install some more lights on it, definitely. But that's where we're at though. If you like the videos, please subscribe.